Welcome back to another quick guide today. How to show away on Outlook. Here are the easy steps to show away status on Outlook. First, open Outlook on your computer. Click the Start menu. Type Outlook, then press Enter. Make sure you sign in. Confirm your email account is fully loaded and synced. Click File in the top left corner. This opens the Outlook settings menu. Choose Automatic Replies out of Office. You'll see this option on the account information page. Turn on Automatic Replies. Click Send Replies only during time period. Set a time range. Then choose Start and End dates. Type your away message inside your organization. Enter a short message explaining your away. Click Save once done. Your away or out of office status is now active. Confirm your status. Send yourself a test email or check the status banner and Outlook. Turn off away status when you return. Go back to File, Automatic Replies, and toggle off Automatic Replies and hit Save. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.